Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. And let me tell you all that this vlog is gonna be an all English vlog today. And I don't know why I'm making this. But yeah, obviously the purpose is simple. And I think it's quite obvious that I want to copy the Lord Anurag Salgaonkar. I'm just kidding, man. The purpose of making this vlog is because I just want to experiment, and it's just gonna be a normal daily observation kind of a vlog we're gonna shoot here. It's Sunday, 11:50 p.m. a.m. I'm going to my college for my exam. Yeah, they've kept an exam on Sunday. Anyways, I don't give f***s about the exam, but I'm just here for making content today. Obviously, no, that's not the case. If my dad watches this, he's gonna take away my GoPro. I told you the reason behind making this English vlog is to kind of experiment content I'm gonna be making, and also to reach a wider audience. Obviously, I don't know how this vlog is gonna perform, or it's even gonna perform or not, but I'm just making it for the sake of having fun. And I'm so late that I didn't even check if my mic is working properly or not. I didn't even check if it's connected properly. So we'll just wait and ride till someone comes crashing into us and gives us some content. That's what we are gonna do today. Another reason behind this is the lack of content we have been having. There's a serious lack of content, guys. And look at this traffic on Sunday. People, there's no traffic on Monday. On weekdays, usually when people are supposed to go to their office and work, and on Sunday they all are coming and just don't hurt my bike, but at least give me a close call of crashing or something so that I can use it as a thumbnail. I hope no one does that actually. Okay, now even I have started thinking that I'm copying Anurag Salgaonkar in this vlog. I'm not gonna use the same editing strategy of all that subtitles and those memes, okay? This is gonna be a simple vlog. Give me some space, thank you. Okay, so as this is an experiment, I want you to comment down below that should we continue making English vlogs or get back to business in Hindi. So I don't know how will this go, but yeah, it's fun. I mean, I'm doing nothing. I'm literally just riding my bike in the city, going to my college and making a video out of it. I'm not even wearing any gear right now, as you can see. No gloves, no jacket, nothing. I'm just in my college uniform and my helmet and my GoPro, because this is how I go to college every day. And yeah, sometimes I do wear gloves, and that's it. Typical Thar guy, doesn't let me pass. Oof. I forgot the main thing about the camera angle. I don't know if the POV is right or not. I was just looking down and riding my bike like I do every time. Like, I'm not up straight like this. I'm kinda leaned towards the front. I don't know, I'm sorry guys if the view was so bad up till now. Don't worry, if it's not good, I'll shoot it again. I'll shoot this whole video again. But till then, you'll have to see this. And I'm now having a feeling that this whole video is spoiled, because I was looking down the whole time. I wasn't looking at like this, okay? See, I wasn't looking at the road like this. While riding, I always look somewhere near around this area. I don't know why. I kind of have that habit while riding in the city. I rarely look at the road which is far away over there. Okay, I'll have to do something for this. No one came crashing into us. No close calls. How do these people get so many clickbait kind of things or actual content about someone crashing, about someone having fights. I don't know, I never get that kind of content. I've like, even when the recording is off, yeah, even when the recording is off, I never encounter such things like an accident or a fight. I don't know, maybe I should shift to an area where people are frequently fighting and everything. Yeah, that's Pune. See, this is how the metro work is going on near Shivaji Nagar. The main reason of traffic, this metro construction. I think I'll end this vlog in some time, as I'm gonna reach my college now. I forgot to judge people in this vlog. I didn't judge anyone. Come on, I was minding my own business. I just want to judge someone right now. I'm having this strong feeling that I want to pass bad comments on someone. Look at this guy, no helmet. Okay, he hasn't maintained his bike, you know. Look at his indicator, that is broken. His bike is dirty, he hasn't cleaned it. I don't think he loves his bike. No, I don't think he loves his bike. Even my bike is dirty, but this is because of the construction going on around my house, and I can't help with that because all the concrete and cement, everything comes flying, and yeah, you can see this. That doesn't mean I don't love my bike, but I'm sure he doesn't have any construction ongoing near his house. He doesn't love his bike. That's my judgment for now. I think let's end this vlog, guys. Just end this. This was my first try at daily observations vlog. I'll judge more people next time, guys, for sure. Or if you want, I won't stop this right now. I'll keep on judging more people, but as I'm about to reach my destination, there's nothing much left to speak about. So I'll just end this vlog over here, and hope you liked it. I promise that I'll judge more people from the next vlog onwards. Please subscribe till then, and yeah, also give a like to the vlog. Look at this guy. Look at my bike. He likes it. He doesn't understand the difference between 155 and 1000cc. I bet, but he loves the sound. So yeah, guys, this is it. I think leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next vlog, while judging more people and finding something for clickbait as usual. No, I haven't done any clickbait still. Why am I not going? Why am I not stopping the recording? I'm still speaking, guys. I don't want to speak. See you all in the next vlog, for real now.